Morning, children. Morning. And this is the continuation of your last class, which is fractions. And today we will see how to convert mixed fractions into improper fractions and improper to mixed fractions. So first you need to understand in improper fraction, the form is the numerator is actually the dividend. And the denominator is divisor. The denominator is divisor. And if you see the mixed fraction form, in mixed fraction, there are two parts, right? The first part, actually it is the quotient. And second part, we have the divisor. So these are the two forms. If you are expressing as dividend by divisor, it is the improper fraction form. And if you are expressing as quotient separately and remainder by divisor, this is the mixed fraction form. Okay. So we should first know the relation between all these four terms: dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Okay. There is a division algorithm which says dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So let's see small example. Suppose 7 divided by 2. Okay. So 2 3s are 6. The remainder is 1. Now this is what? This is the divisor. This is dividend. This is quotient and this is remainder. See, if you multiply this divisor with the quotient, multiply this two, you will get 6. Now add this remainder, you get 7, which is equal to the dividend, right? So this relation is important, this algorithm, division algorithm. Okay, let us see how we are going to use this to convert the improper to mixed and mixed to improper. Suppose we have a fraction 23 by 4. This is improper. Why?
The numerator is greater than the denominator.
Yeah, because the numerator is greater than the denominator, therefore it is improper. So we are going to convert this into mixed. So what I said, this form, in this form you see, this is actually what? It is improper fraction. Now that means this is dividend by divisor. So here this is dividend and this is divider. So to express as a mixed fraction, we need to know what is the quotient and what is the remainder. How can we get that? By dividing, right? So divide 23 by 4, right? It's very easy. You can divide it orally, right? Divide. So actually what we are going to do, so 4 5s are 20 and the remainder is 3. Therefore, this is the quotient, right? So put the remainder as the numerator and the divisor as this. So we can write 23 by 4 is equal to 5 3 by 4. So that means to convert an improper fraction to mixed fraction, you just have to divide. Okay. Then you will get the quotient and remainder as well, right? Just write the quotient separately, write the remainder as the numerator and the divisor as the denominator, and that's it. You get the mixed form. Okay. Let us see one more example. Suppose 37 by 5. Okay. So let us try to divide orally. Now 37 is the dividend and 5 is the divisor. So let's divide 37 by 5. What would be the quotient? 5, 7 is 35, right? So quotient is 7, right? And the remainder is 37 minus 35 is 2. 2 as the numerator. And what was the divisor? 5. So that's true. Okay. So in this way we can easily convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. So now you see I've given 3 examples. I want few students to come here and change them into mixed fractions. So who's going to come? Come.
Sir, this is a improper fraction, sir, because the numerator is greater than the denominator.
Okay.
So to convert into mixed fraction, we have to divide. So 3 2s are 6, sir. So 2 is the quotient, and the remainder is 1.
Okay.
And the denominator, divisor is 3, sir. So this is the answer, sir.
So here 2 is what?
Sir, 2 is quotient.
Quotient, 1 is
remainder,
and 3
and
is
3 is the divisor.
very good. Okay. Claps. Okay. Okay. Go.
Sir, this is a improper, sir. We do mixed fractions,
You want to
sir.
change this into mixed fraction. Okay. How will you change this?
Division.
By dividing. Okay.
1 is quotient, sir. Remainder, sir, 1. 4 is divisor, sir.
Okay. 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 Claps.
Sir, this is improper fraction, sir. Why the numerator is greater than the denominator?
Very good.
It is changed into mixed fraction by divide the numerator by the denominator, sir. 1 is the quotient, sir, and 1 is the remainder. Divisor is the 9.
Okay. Very good. So now we will see how to change a mixed fraction to improper fraction, the reverse one. Okay. Okay. So this is a mixed fraction because you see a integral part separately and a proper fraction separately. Alright. So now we are going to change this into improper fraction. Writing in an improper fraction means we will write as dividend by divisor. Right. So we have to write in this form, dividend by divisor. It is in which form? It is in mixed form. And mixed fraction means this is quotient, this is remainder, and this is divisor. Okay. How to get this dividend from this? So what you have to do is you have to multiply the divisor, which is actually here the denominator, with the quotient, which is the integral part here. So 7 into 1 plus the remainder, which is the numerator, right? So this gives what? This is the dividend by divisor. So 7 ones are 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 by 7. So let's see a few more examples. 2, 1 by 3. What you have to do? Take the, start from the divisor into quotient plus remainder. So 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Write in the numerator. And the divisor 3 as denominator. That's it. Again, let's see one more example. 7, 2 by 9. What you have to do? Start from the divisor. So divisor into, this is the quotient. 9 7s are 63. 9 7s are 63. Plus the remainder 2. 65 by the divisor 9. Okay.
5 ones are 5 plus 2. 7 by 5.
Okay. Left.
2 4 is 8 plus 1. 9
Okay.
by 2.
Very good. So today in this class we have learned how to change mixed fractions into improper and improper fractions into mixed fraction. Okay. Thank you for today.